Myself, Professor B.N. Kalunkhe, Head Department of Zoology, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today I am going to discuss on toxicity and factors influencing toxicity. Toxicity, as already discussed, is a degree to which a toxin or poison cause damage to the organisms, that is animals as well as plants. And there are generally three different types of toxicity. Acute toxicity, subchronic toxicity, and chronic toxicity. These are three different types of toxicity: acute toxicity, subchronic toxicity, and chronic toxicity. In case of acute toxicity, the toxin, that is poison, when enters in the body of organism, for example, a single dose of poison, or series of repeated doses by different route, the pathway or route of entry of poison, for example, in the body of human being, takes place in different ways. For example, poisons are absorbed through a skin. Poisons are absorbed by the skin. Then another route or pathway of entry of poison, that is toxin. Toxin, it is a poison. Entry through skin, entry through mouth. It is also called as oral entry. Entry of poison through inhalation. That is respiration. Inhalation, respiration. For example, a poison, carbon monoxide, it is found in atmospheric air. Or cigarette smoking by near person. Cigarette smoke that contains carbon monoxide, poisonous gas, that enters into body of another person, nearby person, the person who is nearby that person. Cigarette smoke that contains poisonous substance, cigarette smoke, that substance is called as carbon monoxide. And when such a smoke enters in the body of another human being, that process is called as inhalation. Poison enters through a respiratory tract. When poison enters into body of, for example, human being, through the mouth, along with food material. For example, our diet that contains different types of vegetables, fruits, even water, milk or meat. All these foodstuffs contain poisons. All these foodstuffs contain poisons. These poisons enters in the vegetables, fruits, milk, water through a contaminated soil, or water or air. They enters in the body. They are accumulated. Poisons, for example, pesticides, insecticides, DDT, BSE, eldrin, dieldrin, parathion, etc. Large number of pesticides are used. These pesticides accumulate in the soil, in the water body, or in the atmospheric air. And from such sources, soil, water, they are accumulated in vegetables, for example, in the fruits, or in the water, which is used for drinking purpose. And such poisons enters finally, for example, in case of body of human being, through a skin by absorption, through a mouth. That is when contaminated vegetables are used as a food by human being. Along with vegetables, poisons, that is pesticides, that enters into body of human being. Inhalation, entry of poison through respiratory tract. These are called as routes or pathways of entry of poison in the body of animal, including human being. Then these are the three different types of toxicity: acute toxicity, subchronic toxicity, and chronic toxicity. In case of acute toxicity, a toxin that is poison, it may be plant origin, it may be animal origin, or it may be synthetic poison, chemicals, poisonous chemicals, for example, cyanides, arsenic compounds. They cause immediate effect. Adverse effect, when it enters into body of human being. Effect is observed within seconds, minutes, hours, and before 24 hours. That is, effect is observed. Death of such person takes place within a 24 hours. For example, a Bhopal gas tragedy. Several thousand people dies because of inhalation of poisonous gas, MIC, methyl isocyanate. It is a, for example of acute toxicity. Immediate death occurs within a 24 hours. When poisonous material in the form of solid, in the form of chemical, in the form of gas that enters in the body, that results in death of such person within 24 hours. Such highly poisons or toxins, they show acute toxicity, immediate effect, and early death within a short period of time. It is called as acute toxicity. In case of subchronic toxicity, there is no death of animal. When there is intake of poison, it shows adverse effects on the body. For example, in several weeks, or in month, or in a year, there is no immediate death. the poisons are less concentrated and they show less toxic effect, but symptoms appears after weeks, after month, or after some years. That toxicity is called as subchronic toxicity. And last one type is chronic toxicity. It takes several years to show its effects. When intake of poison or entry of poison in the body of human being, it takes several years. For example, a cigarette smoking. A person habitual to cigarette smoking gets several years to affect their lungs. Finally, that results in cigarette smoking results in lung cancer. But it is not immediate effect. It requires several years to show its adverse effect of cigarette smoking that results in finally in a lung cancer, or drinking of alcohol which results into liver damage called as liver cirrhosis. It takes many years to show its effect. It is called as chronic toxicity. Then next one is LD50 and LC50. It is a part of toxicity. LD50 and LC50. In toxicology, median lethal dose of any toxin, for example, poisonous chemical, radiation, or pathogen, which causes 50% death of test animals. Death of test animals, for example, fishes, rat, experimental animals. LD50 and LC50. In toxicology, it is a median lethal dose which is responsible for causing a death of about 50% population in a test animals. LD, that is a lethal dose. Lethal, that means which cause death. That cause death is called as lethal, causing a death, killing organism, that is death. Lethal, that means causing a death and dose, that means amount of poison, toxin, which is required for killing of a particular animal. Amount of poison or toxin which is responsible for death of animal, it is called as a dose. Dose is amount of poison. For example, it is measured in mg per kg body weight of animal, milligrams per kg of animal, body weight of animal. In case of LD50 dose, amount of toxin in milligrams. For example, 1 milligram, 2 milligram, 3, 4, 5 and so on in milligrams. Amount of solid toxin in milligrams, it is called as a dose. That is amount of milligrams solid poison which is responsible for killing about 50% of test animals. For example, rat or fishes, they are tested. They are tested to observe acute toxicity of a particular poison, acute toxicity. These tests are carried out. These tests for LD50 and LC50, they are carried out to determine toxicity of a particular poisonous substance. For example, a particular pesticide, its effect on body of organisms. And LC50, it is called as lethal concentration. It is called as lethal concentration. LD50 is a lethal dose. Lethal, that means causing a death. A dose, that is amount of poison responsible for causing death. And here in case of LC50, concentration of poison which is responsible for killing 50% population of test animals. This one is a concentration, lethal concentration, and it is generally measured in terms of ppm, parts per million, For example, human beings are exposed or animals are exposed to such concentration from atmospheric air or from water, from atmospheric air or water. That concentration is measured in terms of ppm, parts per million, and in case of dose, it is measured in milligrams, for example, per kg body weight of individual. For example, measurement of LD50 for a particular poison, for example, particular pesticide, it is tested and represented by a graph. For example, this one is a x-axis and this one is a y-axis. Here there is a percentage. For example, this one is called as dose. For example, 1 milligram toxin. This one 1 milligram toxin. One mg toxin, 2 mg toxin, 3 mg toxin, 4 mg, 5 and so on. It is a dose. 1 mg, 2 mg, 3 mg, 4, 5 and so on. Here there is a mortality. Here there is a mortality. It is also called as response. Mortality or response. Percentage of death. Mortality, that means death. Percentage of death. For example, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70, 80 and so on, 100%. For example, suppose 100 species of fishes are exposed for testing purpose at such different concentrations, different doses of a poison, 1 milligram, 2 milligram, 3, 4 and so on. They are tested to show its toxicity, that is adverse effect, that results into death of 50% fishes. For example, 100 fishes are tested. 100. When 50%, that is 50 fishes are died, at which dose of poison? It is called as LD50. And for this graph is like this, for example. And these are these figures are values. These are doses in milligrams per body weight, per kg body weight. Here there is a 50% population of fishes. Some plastic tubs are used for experimental purpose. They are provided with water, or in case of rat, cages are used, and poison is given along with food material. Poison is given to rats along with their food material. When there is a rate, there is a death of 50, for example, rats or fishes at a particular dose. This value is called as ELD50. This value is called as ELD50. Death of 50% individuals takes place at this amount of poison. For example, 5.5 milligrams. 5.5 milligrams is called as LD50. It is called as LD50. That is that amount of dose is responsible for killing or death of 50% of test population animals. and when value of dose is less, value of dose is less, it shows more toxicity. It shows more toxicity. When value of lethal dose is less, that shows more toxicity. That is, toxin is highly poisonous. Toxin is a highly poisonous. Similarly, like LD50, LC50, here there is a concentration instead of dose. There is a concentration. In case of LD50, there is a concentration of a poison which is measured, for example, in case of atmospheric air, it is measured in parts per million. Parts per million. These are the number of tested animals. The first that contains 10 fishes, for example, another 10 like this. Here there is a concentration of poison. For example, 100 ppm, 200 ppm, 300 ppm, 100 ppm, 200 ppm, 300 ppm, 400 ppm, 500 and so on, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000 ppm. For example, when individuals, for example in case of human being, are exposed to a poisonous gas, carbon monoxide, that results in a coma at this range of gas, 500 ppm, 500 ppm, and death occurs at about 1000 ppm. Suppose here, when animals, fishes or rats are tested for a concentration range of 100 ppm, 200 ppm, 300, 400, 500 and so on, and death of 50% fishes or rat takes place at this concentration, 400 ppm. It is called as LC50. It is called as LC50. And this toxicity is dependent on different factors. For example, species. These factors are called as factors influencing toxicity. Species, age. For example, species, age, gender, male or female, health condition, that is called a physiological status. Physiological status, nutrition, diet. These are the various factors that influences the toxicity. Thank you. We are going to discuss our next period.